In this video, I'll be going over my mid-month income report for Amazon, KDP, YouTube, and Etsy for January 2025. So this will be for January 1st through January 15th, 2025. First, let's start with ads for KDP. I actually haven't run ads since it looks like August 2023 for KDP in this campaign manager, mostly just due to lack of extra time and finances I can devote to ads right now. It's not because my ads weren't performing well, or in my opinion, they were performing well enough where I could keep them going. I just am very, very busy right now, and I'm still kind of like a newbie when it comes to ads, so they do take up more of my time and attention. So just a little bit of a brief explanation as to why I'm not currently running ads. So these are all going to be basically organic sales. I don't run my own ads. I have a few YouTube videos promoting some of my books, but other than that, I don't personally pay for any sort of like ads for Amazon KDP or YouTube or Etsy. So scrolling down here, I have sold 33 so far, and or 33 have shipped out because that's usually when they pop up on your dashboard, is once they've officially shipped out. So my lowest day so far is going to be the 1st, 7th, 9th, or 1st, 3rd, 4th, 7th, and 9th, which is going to have one book, and then highest January 8th with 5 books, and then January 2nd has 4. So it definitely varies from 1 to 5 books. So each day it just tends to be different. And I currently have 271 books in my dashboard. And then before I move on to the royalties, I do want to thank the sponsor for this video, which is Everbee. Highly recommend checking out Everbee, especially if you are new to Etsy, or even if you're not new. I just think Everbee has multiple tools that could definitely help you. Depends on where you're at with Etsy and what you're looking for on what tool would be most beneficial to you. But they have this calculator here. Then they also have a shop analyzer. They have a bunch of different tools that you can choose from. And I personally think that this could help you or anybody who is working with Etsy. So I just want to show you this tool. This is one of my favorites really quickly. This is their profit calculator. So let's just put in like $9.99, or we'll do $10.99. And then this will show you after their fees and costs how much your profit would be. But you could include the shipping price, the discount cost of items, shipping costs. So I'm just going to type some random numbers in here because I honestly have no idea like how much this typically is. The products I currently have are digital downloads, so this is really helpful because I like to offer discounts sometimes. I think I have a discount like if you purchase something from me. So I like to see what I could potentially make. And so this would be a net profit of $3.46. So you can just go through and then see like what price you need to be at for however much profit you're looking for. So personally for me, I'm at $2.21, but sometimes I do have Etsy run ads for me. It's not me running ads, if that makes sense. It's like I've okayed Etsy to run ads on my behalf. So sometimes that happens, I make less. So for these offsite ads, 12% we'll just go with. I'm at 185, 15%, 176. So I just really love using this tool so that way I kind of know where I'm at. And I do offer, I think it's 10%. I could be wrong. I think it's 10% discount. So let's see if we do, oh, not $10 off. There we go, 10%. And then you can see the profit here as well. So I highly recommend using this tool, especially if you're brand new, because you may be wondering how to price your product or how much profit you'd actually be making. And this is just so incredibly helpful in my opinion. And then there's also an advanced section here. So I'll have a link in the description below for Everbee, but I highly recommend checking them out. And then moving on over to the royalties for KDP, I'm at $79.81. And looks like highest day so far is the 8th, a little over $10 or a little over $12. And lowest is going to be those days with one order. It looks like ranging from probably like $1.50 to $3. And then just varying in between. And I'm not entirely sure which books have sold already because I didn't look prior to creating this video, but typically I sell mostly scrapbook paper, craft paper pad books, and I currently have 271 books in my dashboard. A lot of them are notebooks from when I first started KDP. I think I have like 90 something scrapbook craft paper pad books, and then I'll show the top 10 just to show it looks like 10 books sold 30, so majority of the sales. 10 books, $73.96. So again, majority of the sales so far. So you don't need to have hundreds of books to make money with KDP. You really just need one book to start making money. And yeah, so moving on over to the actual YouTube analytics here. Oh, right before I move on, I do want to let you know if you are interested in learning more about the scrapbook paper, craft paper pad niche, I do have a course on that, and I'll have that in the description below as well in case you're interested in that. And I have tons of free videos and content on my YouTube channel as well currently. So for YouTube, I have not been as active as I'd like to be. I am very, very busy. We have purchased a house recently, as of I'm not sure how recent actually. It's currently January 30th, 2025 as I'm recording this video. We purchased the house in December 2024. And yeah, so a lot has been going on. But let me just show this anyway. So 9.4K views, 175.4 watch time, 25 subscribers, $28.66. Have not posted any videos for January 1st through 15th. I definitely have had just so much going on. So much going on, which is not an excuse or anything. I know everybody has things going on and they're busy, so I really want to try to get better at creating content and posting videos and get this channel going again, but I do try to post at least a few videos every single month. It's just sometimes they're all around the same time, but that's okay. And yeah, so overall, I'm happy with the channel still growing, even if I haven't posted videos during this first part of the month. And then moving on over to Etsy, I got 22 visits, no orders or anything yet, but that's okay. It says it's increased 22% compared to the same period last year, which would be 2024. So that's kind of cool. With Etsy, I currently have 5 listings on there, and let me see, I have 5 listings. They're all digital products, so I don't have to do anything. If somebody buys a product, it'll automatically go to them. So that is really cool. It's pretty much like passive income, similar to KDP, where I've already created the product, and now whenever somebody buys it, KDP just handles that for me and ships out the product. So very happy about that. Overall, I'm content with this. Obviously, I wish my numbers were higher and I wish I was making more. I mean, currently I'm at 79.81 and 28.66. So if I do the math, plus 28.66, that's going to be $108.47 of basically passive income. I do have some expenses. I do have like Canva and then Stan Store for the course that I currently have on Stan Store and other different products that I have on there. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this, especially since I haven't been as active as I'd like to be. But I would love to know how January is going for you so far, whether that's KDP, YouTube, or Etsy, or anything like that. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know. I do my best to try to get back to everybody, and sometimes I am very slow, so please bear with me on that. And but I do my best to try to get back to everybody whenever I can. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.